Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You'll have to excuse my swollen hands and paint fingers. I've been painting this morning and I didn't want to scrub it off because I've still got to go do a second coat. But rather than watch paint dry, I thought I would quickly film my second part to the eBay haul, the dollar eBay haul, the things that aren't $1. I wasn't going to film this video because I thought, oh, the things are pretty boring, and then I thought, why not? I'm still buying, so more things will come, and then there'll be a third one and a 10th one, but I'll try to fly through this one pretty quickly. Jump straight into it. I have these stencils. These were $2.99. Loads of stencils. Just heaps. I don't even know how many sheets they were. Heaps of sheets. Haven't tried those, but hopefully they're alright. Next was this big sheet. I've just cut it up of gold stickers. These were $2.24. And I already did use some on some nails. I will insert a picture. Not very good. I just feel like these are so intricate and small designs. When you're peeling them off, it's so easy to rip them and so hard to get them to line up perfectly again if you do it in separate pieces. I mean, they look really pretty, but if they could come off in one piece, that would be better. The smiley face water decals. These were $1.32. I mostly just got these for my daughter. She picked them. Oh, we got sun glare. She picked them, so I haven't used them yet, but they're really cute. I probably could have done a cute little thing for Halloween, although they kind of look more prettier than scary. Cute little faces. Next is this bag of pink glitter, 20 grams, which is actually a fair bit. It was $3.99. Haven't used it yet. No. It's supposed to be like hollow. No, it's not showing up hollow. Next was these things. Now these aren't what I thought they were going to be. I was going to open it. I actually might not. I actually got my money back for these. I don't need to open it. It's going to make a mess regardless. It's falling out of somewhere. Yeah, all different sizes, but yeah, they look pretty nasty. They've spilt all through the packaging. I don't know, they just got that cheap look about them. I mean, they are cheap, but how much did I say they were? $2.15 for the 5. And yeah, they don't look very nice. Snail foil. Most of my foils, I did buy the one set on eBay. Well, I still buy them on eBay from China, but I've started getting them from within Australia. I have a favourite eBay seller. I'm thinking about making a video just based off of her, because yes, they are like the same Chinese designs, but it's so much easier to get them in Australia. She has great quality glue. I'm really enjoying them. But yeah, this one was $1.39. Just like a hollowy flower print. Next, I got this little wheel of gears, which is $1.09. Haven't used them yet. But yeah, I thought it was going to be a lot better than this. There's not very good variety in there. But yeah, cheap $1. Next is this cuticle bit. Was recommended by Princess Shan here on YouTube. Love Princess Shan. She's amazing. If she watches this, hello. She recommended this, said it was good, and she was dead on. It's really cheap. $2.72, and I love it. I'm going to go back and get some more. Been using it every single time now. Love it. So thanks, Shan. Recommend me some more stuff and spend my money. Next we have, I think it's this stamping plate. It's got like geometric design on it. It was $1.20, but don't know how very good it is. What is it? It is BP 77. I'm not going to list every single thing in the description because there's quite a fair few, but if anybody obviously wants any comment, that is so much easier for me to chase up just one than list them all. Next was this little wheel of hearts. $1.25. It's got red, pink, and black. I don't know if it's going to pick up the colours. Haven't used them. Little 3D. They're quite thick actually. It's going to be really cute for Valentine's Day or anniversary. Is this 5-piece Born Pretty brushes. They look so much prettier in the picture with the floral print. I'm loving floral at the minute. But yeah, they showed up really green and they're so small. They're tiny. I was hoping to use them for my gel pots, but they're so tiny. Yeah, I don't love them, and they were $2.59. I got a bag of rhinestones. It was a mix of sizes for $2.89, and I've already put them into my container. That's all of them there, the whole set. Oh sorry, this is the biggest size, and then they go down to tiny. They're really nice. The AB, I mean, they were $2.89, you get one of every size. But yeah, they're really, really nice. They've got the blue tone to them. And then I did the same thing and bought some more that were just two separate sizes. Now I can't remember what the sizes were, but I have already put some of them into here. The bigger ones and then the smaller ones. These were, I think the big was $1.93 and the small was $1.45. So really cheap, and they actually look really nice. Like those, I'll put them into there. Same thing again, I also bought this little pouch, which was $1.99 for rose gold, and this has all different sizes. I really didn't want to go through them all and put them in their actual sizes, but they're really pretty rose gold color. I will say they are cheap, and you can reflect that. I put them on my fingernails for the first time the other day, and after washing my hands several times and doing heaps of stuff, the rose gold has like washed off, and now they kind of look silver. And then I'll quickly mention the last couple of things. I got these butterfly swatch display things that I have been putting onto my gel polish bottles. These were, I did buy these in Australia because I was just feeling really impatient, and I had all the gel polishes I wanted to swatch then and there, so I paid $7.34. I think it was for 50. Doesn't say. I think it was for 50, and then I bought some from China later on for like $1 or whatever for 50 that came later on. But I just got the clear little butterflies for $7.50. Then I think my last thing I'll talk about really quick, there'll have to be another video because I'm almost at 10 minutes. I'm probably speed rambling. Hopefully someone can still hear me and find the video useful. I bought these. I bought a quantity of 5, the peel off bases. Now I paid $5.95 for these, and the reason I bought them is because my fiance was letting me practice on him with the condition that I was doing like 1 or 2 now, and it had to come off relatively quickly so he could go back to what he was doing. So I was like, I've seen a bit about these, I want to see what they're like. I have done one on him. I mean, they were really weird to work with. Like, I found it a little difficult because I did sculpt, so I put it down on his real nail, obviously. And then, yeah, it was just weird to sculpt around it. But, get out of there. Why are we stuck? Of course we are. There is the sheet, and you can't even really tell. I've taken a couple of them off. He let me do 4. So there is 4 missing. Hold up, that's not the one. There's not 4 missing from there. One of them's missing. Anyway, you get the idea. Yeah, as for taking them off, it was pretty good. Like, I had done them, and maybe like literally 10 minutes after doing them, I didn't, I have seen like some videos with the cheaper ones where they say use cuticle oil or oil in general. I did use the water and an orange wood stick, and I got a couple off, boom, poke it under. As long as there was a little tiny lip, pop right off. The others, one he did complain on, and he said that was a bit stuck, so I did bring out the oil for, because I did his 4. 2 popped off, easy peasy. The other ones we did put oil on, and I got him to do it himself because it was quite awkward. I felt like I was just stabbing him with the stick. But yeah, they popped off. Like, it was probably, I don't know, 1 minute, 2 minutes tops to take them all off. And I just grabbed baby oil. I didn't use like anything fancy, I just used baby oil and got a little bit under there, and boom, came straight off. So I'm actually really stoked. Really stoked with these. Anyway, my camera's flashing at me, so I hope somebody enjoyed this video. If you want any links, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.